part 2 of the my friend and me multiplayer game. Last time I was not able to connect. I think it was my net got down. That's why, But I'll show you guys my friend's progress. He's here. I'll not let him talk yet. First, let me show you guys his progress he made up here. And I did not log in from then log. He was working out and he died, guys. So that was a bad thing. He lost quite a lot of stuff. He lost quite a lot of stuff.
I made a new house, and that house that it became night and
yeah, guys, he made a new house. He died after that. He was making the house, but now I'm not letting him go away. We like this house, right, Vasu? Right? Right? Guys, I think he got disconnected. We have to tell him, Vasu, you disconnected. Vasu, you disconnected. Guys, just let's make ourselves some new weaponries. Like two pickaxe, two eggs. Let's go on the mine of trees. Guys, not cares, right? Bro, I'm just... Yeah. He'll join in. Yeah, he's just gonna join in now. You disconnected. Bruh, he's a fool. He can't see that he got disconnected or what? He has no brains. For sure. Guys, he has no brains moving around. You do. Join. Meet. Yeah, guys, we have ourselves a call set up, so whenever we want, we can join. Join, mate. Yo, I'm gonna kill you. Kaksak. What? Join. Lol, join. Bruh. Join. Kakasakaka. What did you mean by kakasakaka? He's gone crazy. He's gone C4RAZY. Yes, you back?
hello.
Yes.
I had got disconnected.
I know that, mister.
My world also got disconnected.
No, I'm playing still.
What? Yes, I came back. I went somewhere and I made a new house.
Don't go there. This house is so good. We are not going somewhere else.
I know, but I'm telling you what happened with me. Then it became night and
yeah, you already told me on the private call we were on before this. I got food. I got more food.
I will show you my house. It was somewhere up. I'm going to take my door and get my house.
Don't know. We are never gonna live in that house. You can keep that house to say that you made a house, but we are gonna always live in this.
I am going to break that house.
Yeah, we're gonna explode it afterwards with TNT. Not right now. We don't have TNT right now.
I want a door, and the door I used in that house, so I want it back.
Yeah, so just go and break the door. And if you want, we can craft a new one.
I don't remember where is my house.
Yeah, so don't go in search of it or else you'll get lost.
I found some animals, different kind of animals.
You screen share so that I can see. No, no, it won't go. You just listen to me, dude. I'm a tech Greek over here. Nothing will happen to your world. I'm a tech master.
Okay.
So that I can see whatever you do, dude. So guys, actually let's meet you when we are in the full resources to make the house. कर दिया. So guys, I'm back. I know I did not do that much progress yet, but guys, he told that he found his old house. The one he made on his own without me.
It's night.
It's not night, it's raining.
Will you come to my house and will be cold?
Can you see me? I'm almost there.
Yes, I can see you. Can you see me?
Yes, I can.
Now, please, this house is my favorite.
Yes, it's okay. It's not that good actually.
I'm going to break it with stake and
So guys, I can get myself a bed now. Hello?
hello.
I can make myself a bed now. We just need 2 more sheep to make you a bed. Yeah, I can make myself a bed now. Don't feel jealous, okay?
I had wool and many things, but I left them somewhere. I died that my everything went up.
Oh yeah, after if you don't get all of your loot in 5 minutes, it disappears. Minecraft IQ.
Or else I had two wool and I left three what
Okay, I'm gonna actually go out back to the house in some time. I'm just collecting some normal resources like coal and stuff.
we have an extra bed.
You also come in sometime, okay? So guys, I showed you guys his house. I'll meet you when we are back at the house. Guys, we are back. So guys, it was about I was collecting more materials, but so it became night time. He came back in a hurry. It was night time. He did not figure out the way. He saw my name tag and he came. He came in a hurry. Guys, he came in a god hurry. He was like, Mama, I'm coming.
Hello?
Yes. Pradyumn?
Yes, let's start.
Yeah, it's already started.
Already something. When can you come here?
So guys, actually, let's...
Done this? Who has done this?
What?
Who did it?
What who did?
Oh, nothing. Sorry.
Bruh, you're disturbing me for nothing.
I thought it is something else.
Actually, I'm making a down flow for myself. Like I'm going, you went up, I'm going down. You went up, I'm going down.
Can you tell me what more?
I'm saying that I'm making a downer flow. You made a upper flow. I'm making a downer flow. Come and see my place. Come and see my how did I make? I made a bigger room than yours.
I don't care. I'm already making a big room. Only my starting is small, or else it's very big.
See, this is quite a big of a place, and it's gonna be more big. I'm gonna go more down.
I need 10. We don't have 10.
So guys, you remember my first video multiple series with my friend Minecraft episode 1? Guys, we did not continue that, but this is the series. So by the time I'm making this, I did not even post that video. So I'm gonna post that video very soon. I don't have a shovel, right? Let me check. Ooh, I don't have a shovel. I should just get the shovel. What happened, Vasu? Is somebody
Yes, fine.
is Pradyum?
Can you give me some torch?
Yeah, sure. Take. I'm leaving near the crafting table.
Here I will make my bed.
Hey, come down, or else the torch is gonna disappear. Like, boosh. I placed the torch down.
Give me a torch.
Yeah, I placed the torch down near the table, near the crafting table.
So where did voices come?
I don't have any idea. But I'm making a downer flow here. You're stuck. You're stuck here. Bro. You're breaking my land, dude. Bro, you just came here, broke my house, and just nah. No one cares. You just broke my room. Dude, you realized you broke my room.
Wait, I will.
And who's the dog barking in the meat? You know you have to be a bit careful. You're recording. Say the dog to stop barking. Say that we are recording. Stop barking. Say that two great YouTubers on YouTube are recording, dude. Stop it.
It stopped already.
Yep. What happened? He saw a cat or he saw dog food and he said, I want that dog food. And it happens in my life. I'm gonna give my life up, but I want that dog food. He did like that. Or he just thought I should dance and he started dancing and started barking. Hello?
Can I get a pickaxe? My pickaxe power is
Wait, I'll give you a new pickaxe. I'll just come back and give you. Because I'm down making my other room, right? You also know it. Even actually, I took two pickaxes. That's the only, so that I shouldn't have gone. I'll give you one of my other pickaxes. I'll make myself a new one. I made a good home. Wow, come here and see it. It's pretty awesome.
Come and see mine. Come and see mine.
It's good. It's good. Not gonna lie. You should make the ceiling more higher.
Yes, you're right.
Take the pickaxe and throw it down. You picked it up. No, you picked it up. It came in your inventory. I'm gonna take two pickaxes again. So that I don't have to struggle afterwards to come back to make one pickaxe. I don't like to do that stuff. Yep. Two pickaxes. I think
Pickaxe power is I finished, but it is still much.
actually I'm gonna make a chest. We both can use the materials. Except the wood.
My pickaxe power is 2.
I'm putting some things in my chest. If you want, you can share the chest. You heard me right? We can share the chest if you want.
It would be a different bench. Much. Or else you can take mine, I can take yours.
I did not hear you, but okay. Because your voice is not clear. You getting it right?
Now can you hear me?
Yeah, your voice is not clear. You should come and see my home. My humble abode.
I am coming to clean up.
Come to my home.
Wait a minute.
Yep.
I am problem.
Bro, my place is getting bigger and bigger and bigger because I'm expanding it up. As you guys can see, I'm just gonna talk to the guys for this time.
Coming.
Yeah, you can come and see. So, guys, you can see we are doing quite a good progress. So, if you guys want, I can.
Now only
Because you, bro, you play more than we. You already made one of the floors. I even had to see the guys. You know that. So, guys, as you can see that, guys, this is going to be quite a good thing. And stop opening the chest. Actually, Vasu, I have a good idea for us both. We should connect our bases, like our home somehow.
okay.
We are not right now, but we are gonna connect in some time because I can see your name pretty close to my names.
What?
Yeah, I can see your house going pretty close to my place. See, yeah, that will gonna take you very close to my home.
I need to extend it.
Yeah, you're gonna extend it from. Actually, let me show you a very good trick which you're gonna actually love.
Then
Hi.
what? No, no. What? Not. It's not a trick. It is a very bad trick.
But I just directly connected. Oh, thanks for the free word. Thanks, give me more.
I have only one.
Bro, I can see some in your hand. Give me. Oh, I needed more cobblestone.
It's fine.
Bro, we told we are gonna connect our house in some way.
No, we should not connect. It's different.
No, we
Right.
like anytime we need help. Actually, don't cover up the full pot. Just cover up this. Just cover up this. Let the tunnel be inside. So whenever I want to come directly to your base, I can just open my seal, your seal, and come in. So just open, close. Yeah, just close this. Yeah. Good. I'll just get my door and put it here. So whenever I want to come to your room, I can easily come.
You put a door for your room also.
Yeah, I'll just put the door for myself to come to your place. It's a small, shorter way for the direct home.
Can I don't have any more doors. Can I take yours? You took already.
You want torches or doors?
No, I wanted a door.
Okay, wait, I'll just craft you with some wood. I'll give you 3. Is that fine?
Food from the chest.
I'll give you.
It's morning. It's morning.
Oh, it's morning?
Going.
Time to farm some wood.
Bye. This door design I have.
Actually, when we find a village in which we can, then we'll get villagers.
I am thinking that I will keep stairs till down so that we can go down.
Ooh. Where is, I saw a cow around here. Yup. You going down, girl. You doing down. Guys, you'll ask me how did you know she or he is a girl? Bro, I just don't care. I just made him a girl.
I can't see. I guess I can see your.
Yep, my one tree is already cutted. My second tree also I cut. I just need to cut more and more and more. There's so much less trees getting in this area. I should plant using the saplings I have. Oh, I found a sheep. I'm gonna get it because we both need a bed as soon as we can get one. Right?
A dog?
No, sheep for a wool. I got more wool. We just need one more sheep. Just try to find one more sheep and tell me. I'm gonna come and hunt her, God.
I will also hunt. I
Because if you give me the wool, I can make the beds. If you don't give me the wool, I'm not gonna give you the bed. Because I need.
I fell in the cable thing.
Then come out. It's not a big deal. If you find this, you don't know. Yeah, we even have a chest.
I am not much interested in it. I'm interested in a cow. I need leather, more leather, more.
You should be interest.
I
You should be interested in a sheep.
cow leather is not coming out. From a cow, leather is not coming. Something else.
That's food. That's food.
I need leather. Why leather?
Bro, you don't want food? Then give me the food. I don't care.
I want, but I don't have more food. I have few food.
Yeah, sometimes it gives leather, sometimes it doesn't. Bro, it's not like cow will always give you the leather.
Two cows. I killed two cows. Both of them exported food.
They might be rude. They might be rude.
Rude cows. Rude. I found one more. I found apple and stick.
Yeah, you're getting those from my broken trees.
In my old world, you left many things, so I took them all. I don't know why you left so many.
I'm getting good tree. I have more than I have more than like 128.
Oh no, I told you. Oh,
No, no, get it. Where the sheep is, give me the wool. We need to make a bed. You get
I
it?
will not give you. I also need food, not only you.
No, I have enough. If you give me the wool, I can make you a bed as well.
Please let me take my food.
No, I can make you a bed if you give me the wool. I can make us both a bed if you give me that wool.
Okay. I have only one.
Yeah, I have 5. You have to.
I'm giving.
No, just press on your character. Hold the wool and press on your character. It will send it to me. Hold the wool and press on your character. Yep, I think I got it. Yep. I'll go and make a bed over in the house and place it down anywhere. You can take one of the beds. You can take your bed. And I'll just which bed I'll leave.
I need two beds. I need two beds.
See, right now I can make one because even I need one for myself. Afterwards, when we get more wool, I'll give you the second bed also. Okay?
Okay.
Slowly we can get things, or else it's not like we are not creative right now.
I'm decorating our house from outside. It doesn't look good at.
No, I'm actually a master decorator and a builder. So leave it on me. I'm a master builder. You're not a master builder because you are a beginner. A beginner is never a master beginner. You're never a master. No,
I'm a very nice builder.
you're a very nice builder, but you don't have experience. I have experience.
I have experience from lockdown.
I have more than 2 years of experience in my Minecraft.
I have more than 1 year.
Such a big liar. I helped you download it the last month. No, this month.
Please let me do it. I will be better.
Okay, fine. But if it's not good, something is not good, the master builder is coming out, dude. The master builder is gonna get that. Bro, I can make this place 10 times good looker. I mean good looking. Guys, we're getting this area threatened. Like we just got all the wildlife off from here. We're not destructing things. I even planted some trees. Actually, I found a new sheep, but we have all. No, I have found 2 sheep. I might able to make you a new bed, Vasu. Pradyumn, I'll try to make you another bed because I have two. I don't know if like I have 9 wool or no, but if I have, I will. Pradyumn, I don't know where am I. I think I got lost, but I'll find a way back.
Okay. I am. Wait a minute. Where is our house?
Bro, you're near a house.
Oh, I am on the top of the house. I'm finding the house. I'm on the top of the house.
Yeah. Don't think you made that was funny, but
Um,
oh, I found more. I'm planting more trees now. I have enough things to make more trees. I'm spreading wild nice. Well, whatever we say that, bro. I'm not a master English guy. I'm beginning. I tired. I'm tired, dude. I'm tired. Bro, oh yeah, this time I'm farther than the house. Dude, I can make that 10 times better. What you doing, dude?
we should go where it is night time. Please don't take my breath.
What you doing, dude? I'm going
The
in.
work I will do. The
Stay in.
other ones I will do tomorrow in the morning because it is not. It is more to do. It is not my complete work.
Yeah, even I saw that.
Tomorrow.
I'm for sure that's not your complete work.
You don't worry. Few days I will make it ready and
Sometime I'm gonna make. Don't dug down, okay? Don't dig down. I might make my basement too big, or else we both might again have a collapse. Make up.
I'm finding secret places.
You know that you only made that. You just dug it up. I saw while we were doing the screen. You are forgetting things. Yeah, you only dig that up. Forget it.
No, I'm not.
Bro, I can just see you. I can see your name tag.
Can you give me some more time? I need
Bro, you should also get some coal. I worked hard to get coal. Fine, I'll get you. Dude, how much I get?
if we don't have
No, I have a lot. I can give you quite some. But it doesn't.
listen please. If we don't have if we don't put a torch anywhere, it's in our hand. Then in darkness it works.
Bro, just take the thing. Wait, we can sleep.
How?
I'll just throw them again down.
Bed. Please give me a bed. You put my bed here. Up here you put my bed.
Where to?
The middle. I will put two beds to put in middle. In and in after middle.
I'll just go in my house, place the bed. You click on the bed to sleep, okay?
Yes, I know that.
I'm ready to sleep. You also press and sleep. Quick.
Hello?
Yes, you put your bed's placement afterwards. First sleep. You need to eat food.
I'm sleeping.
Yeah, first let us sleep and then you need to eat food. Wait, I'll get you some food over there. No, you have apple, right? Click on the apple. Click on the apple. I can see your screen. Click on the.
I will also say that.
You know how to eat, right?
Is it morning?
Yeah, we slept, so it's morning.
But still zombies will be out.
No, we slept quite late.
So fast, zombies are so fast.
That's a baby zombie. That's a baby zombie. Baby zombie. That baby.
Game so small.
The baby
No,
zombie.
no, zombies.
No, you're. Wait, I'll kill him. I'll kill him. I'll kill him.
I am died. I have died.
Bro, you're gonna be in house only.
Yes, I'm in the house in my. Zombie is in my house only. Please help. Please. Why you taking my thing? Why you taking my?
I was coming to kill him. That's why I got your things. Okay, take your things. Okay? Take it. Take it.
But what
Take
is
it.
this? I don't understand.
Take it.
What is this?
Take it. Take it. I'll give you off of my junk. Eh? You took nothing. Bro, I'm making my downer flow bigger.
I'm going to see your progress. Can I come?
Yeah, sure. Obvious. Welcome.
Only this much?
Bro, you saying only this much?
Here.
Bro, we were also hunting in the what we say. Wait, let me see how much big I made the vid. Oh my god. Oh my god, we made too big. So guys, we are not able to complete the episode still. Next time we are going to make farms. So next episode is going to be farms. So guys, oh my god, why can't I wait? You can see my progress while I end the video here, dude. So bye guys. Say bye, dude. Say bye. So guys, bye.